What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog here on Trev and Chels. I know it's been a while since we've seen you guys. I'm sorry for the delay, but don't you guys worry. It's over. From here on out, Mondays and Fridays, we are going to have a ton of awesome vlogs for you guys. And we've actually got quite a few backlogged already, most importantly of which are our Disneyland California trip vlogs. So don't you guys worry, next Friday we're going to start that back up, and we'll show you guys everything you want to see from Disney California. But anyway, today I wanted to take a little break from that and kind of do a little interjection here to share a very, very special day with you guys. So today, July 23rd, is Chelsea's 25th birthday. I've got some pretty cool stuff planned, and you guys know I really like surprising her, so we have a huge surprise in store. So she knows half of this experience. The part she knows about is that we are going to be going to the California Grill for dinner, which is kind of a nicer upscale restaurant. It's on Disney property. It's the Contemporary Hotel's kind of like top floor restaurant. And you know, Trev and Chels trivia, that's where we had our date, where afterwards I asked her to be my girlfriend. So obviously that's a pretty special spot. Now afterwards, this is where it gets really cool, and she's gonna be totally surprised. So if you guys don't know, Disney does a huge fireworks spectacular every single night. Like, it's absolutely insane. I think it's something like 60 grand in fireworks to run the show every single day, which, you know, kind of shows you how good these fireworks are. It's absolutely incredible, and Chelsea loves it. There's a super unique way to be able to view this, in that rather than just standing with everybody else in front of the castle, Disney has a ton of lakes on their properties, and they've got like boats that take you from like hotel to hotel and hotel to park and back and stuff like that. And there's a thing called a fireworks cruise that you can go on, which is pretty exclusive, and you go out and you can watch the fireworks over the castle, over the water. Tonight we're gonna go out to dinner. That's at 5:30. We have to board for the fireworks cruise at 7:45, and so after dinner I'm just gonna walk her down and be like, oh, let's go check out the wharf or something like that, and I'll be like, oh wow, look at, somebody's doing a fireworks cruise, how lucky are they? And then I'll be like, it's us, girl. So I'm pretty excited. I know she's gonna love it, and you guys are coming along for the ride. Let's go. Whoa! What's happening? We have not seen these people in a very long time. Welcome back to another Trev and Chels vlog. We are excited to bring you guys along for the ride of her birthday shenanigans today. What is that face? It's your birthday.
So old.
No, she's not old. She's turning 25 years young. It's only a quarter century.
That's what's making me feel old. Stop saying that.
Oh my gosh. Wow, look at, this is, it'd be nice if you know, your girlfriend had a hair utility that most girls are supposed to carry, so I could make my hair not fold over on itself. Wouldn't that be nice?
You broke mine.
I didn't break it. When did I break it?
I've never broken a hairdryer until you started using mine.
I never used your hair dryer. I need to get a haircut soon, guys. Anyway, we are starting off the day with breakfast, and then later tonight I've got kind of a special date planned. She already knows about it. I kind of wish I would have saved it as a surprise for you. I told her last night, we're going to dinner at the California Grill, which is it's the date we had when I first asked her to be my girlfriend, which is kind of exciting. Depending on what time we get out, we may try to catch the Disney fireworks. I don't know, would you want to go to Magic Kingdom for that?
I'm never opposed to going to the Magic.
Okay. Because
really?
we haven't ever shown them that, have we?
No, we've never done that.
No, okay, so we might do that, and then obviously you guys can't come along, but I think we might go see Star Trek as well, so we're gonna have like a nice date and then get all nerdy. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. We going to Kiki's and check out this front row spot just for the birthday girl. Woo! Just went to Walgreens. I thought we had wrapping paper, but apparently we didn't have any at the house, so I got some wrapping paper for her presents. Should I let her in?
Cooper's really scared of the wrapping paper, and it got too close to him and he peed. He's hiding behind me.
Kubi, what is going on? All right, well, time to go wrap these presents. Kubi's trying to get a sneak peek of the presents. What's going on, buddy? Hey, did you pee all over the floor? It was so cute. I was banging on the windows with the wrapping paper, messing with them, because they always bark at us when we pull in the driveway. And apparently the wrapping paper is a lot scarier than I intended. So, Kubi, go out there. Don't tell Mom what I got. I can't be the only person out there that really sucks at wrapping. Like, I am awful at wrapping presents, which you guys can see. There's the mixer. And then here is her hairdryer for those of you out there with girlfriends, or if you're a girl watching this video, this is apparently the bee's knees. So let's see what she thinks. Also, big shout out to her sister Elise, who made this possible. You know what? This one actually didn't turn out too bad. That is gonna be the tough one. You don't wanna be high like me, never really know what I like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster and be all alone. And you don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. Goober really doesn't like the print on this wrapping paper, apparently.
Okay. Get him down, right, please. Not on my love sack. Come on, get that. This is where we're gonna leave you guys, because she is already the most awkward person I've ever seen open presents, and I'm not gonna make her do it on camera. So we'll come back afterwards. It was so cute.
I roasted her in the card.
It's such a nice card, and then it says, P.S. if we're rounding by tens, happy approximately 30th.
Well guys, don't I have such an incredibly beautiful date? My goodness, you wear 25 very well. Anyway, we're all smiles right now, but it's really not all smiles. Look at this. We hit traffic. This one was a little bit late in getting ready, and then we left the house and I forgot the camera, so we had to turn around for that. So we were already kind of running a little bit late. And now we've hit this traffic. And the way that Disney dining works is if you're more than 15 minutes late for your reservation, they can just mark you as a no-show and not seat you for that night, because this restaurant is constantly booked up. So we may not get in, which is really, really unfortunate. We'll have to wait and see what happens. We may have to try a different restaurant. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll keep you guys updated. Ba-ba-ra! There it is, girl. The Contemporary. Do you think we're gonna make it?
Well, we're late, but I think they'll let us in.
It's 5:43 right now. 15 minutes is usually the max that they give you. There's no way we're gonna get all the way to the restaurant on the very top of that building after going through security and parking and everything in 15 minutes, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. We need a little bit of Disney magic. Go ahead and hit that like button to spread the fairy dust.
Pixie dust.
The pixie dust.
Yes.
We'll see if it works. Do you remember this parking lot?
Yes, I do.
Do you?
I hit you in this parking lot.
Huh?
I think I punched you in this parking lot.
Why'd you punch me?
Because I'm not good with gifts, and then on top of it, it was an embarrassing gift.
So this parking lot right here is where I asked her to be my girlfriend. The restaurant is at the very top of this hotel, and we came down. I don't know if I've actually ever explained this before. Anyway, she used to do some modeling stuff. I guess technically she still kind of does, but she did an ad for Pop-Tarts where she had a unicorn, one of those unicorn masks on her face, and it was something about like, if you don't eat Pop-Tarts, you go nutty or something. So I went and I bought one of those same exact masks off of Amazon, and I had it in the back of the truck, and I gave it to her with a card.
Gift wrap.
And it said that I would go nutty, which was the Pop-Tart slogan, if she would be my girlfriend. So I thought that was pretty cute. And it was something that I was constantly giving her crap over and still do to this day. So you guys, that's our interest in Trev and Chelsea Trivia. There you go, you just learned something new. That right there is where we're going. That little box up on top. Hopefully we make it. Look at this, guys. We have our own special elevator that goes all the way to the top. All of these are for the actual hotel. This is for the restaurant. We made it. I'm so excited. Look at this. This is kind of like the lounge waiting area before you get seated at your table. I know something more beautiful than this view. You. So guess what? We just found out that, so the Disney fireworks are at 9 p.m. You guys can actually see Disney World right over there. That's the castle, and then Space Mountain's over on the right. When we first came here, we ate at around that time so we could see the fireworks from up here, because obviously it's an amazing view. We found out that if you save your dinner receipt, you can come back up later to watch them. Look at all those boats out there on the lake. You guys aren't gonna believe this. This is the exact same table that we sat at on that date here.
You sat right here and watched the Hollywood Studios and the Epcot fireworks get started.
Yeah, that is crazy. What are the odds in the entire restaurant with the exact same table? That's really cool. This is gonna be our appetizer. Handcrafted charcuterie.
No, I think he said it was...
Shootery?
I think that's what he said.
I have no clue. We aren't the best in these super fancy situations, but we're having wild boar, pork belly, bison, lamb sausage, and duck liver. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And it's just gonna get mashed up between our molars and then swallowed into a stomach. I'm gonna be honest, restaurants like this make me a little uncomfortable. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how, like, these are really hard to grab things with. Look how like much pressure you need to use to squeeze it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What is this? What is this? That looks like bacon that hasn't been cooked.
So this is the pancetta. This is wild boar, and it's made up. It's supposed to be a little bit like bacon, but it's not fried up like a bacon.
I like bacon.
That's what that is, and that's supposed to go with the sweet pickle chips.
Okay, let's try that first. I'm about to eat duck liver for the first time. Duck liver pate. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's good. Chelsea just noticed the bottom of the menu. I hadn't seen it yet, but that is a quote to live by. That is beautiful. Also, and more important news, as is always for our fancy dinners, her side of the table is beautiful and white. My side has spilled duck liver on it, as well as I spilled a little bit of wine. Just a day in the life. I can't be fancy. I really can't. I don't know what it is. It's probably because I play video games for a living. It's probably because I've never really grown up, but I refuse to be fancy. As the waiter was taking her silverware away, he brushed it against her side of the table and made it dirty, and it makes me so happy because now we're about even. Look at this. That can just wipe away. So I got that, and now she has this big line. So we're about even. This is a competition, girl. All right, what'd they do with the other half of the cow? Because that is so small. What? Oh man, hopefully this is good. The good news is we had appetizers and we'll probably have desserts, so it'll probably fill us up. I'm just used to a big old like Longhorn Steakhouse steak coming out. This is Japanese Wagyu or Wagyu, I'm not sure how you say it. It's supposed to be really, really fancy. We'll see how it turns out. How was it?
So good.
First time I had ever had Wagyu beef, it was incredible. Now, I think it's time for dessert. I'm getting some creme brulee. She got fritters as a dessert. It looks so good. She has like a raspberry, a white chocolate, and something else as a sauce. No way! Look at that. Make a wish. Verdict, creme brulee was not that hot. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great. These fritters that she's eating are delicious in themselves, and the dipping sauces are even better, particularly the white chocolate mint, which you guys can see right here. So if you guys ever happen to come here, make sure you guys do it. But now I think it's time, what are we thinking about, Pokestops? We have fireworks at 9, which is in like an hour and a half or so. So we're gonna blow some time and we'll see what happens. What are we doing?
I don't know. I'm catching Pokemon.
We're going to the 4th floor.
What are we doing?
Nothing.
I can tell we're doing something. It's written all over your face.
We're not doing anything.
And giggly.
Nope.
Yes, you are.
No. So nobody really knows, but we're supposed to go to the 3rd floor, apparently. And she's just playing Pokemon.
I have no idea what we're doing.
I think that this might be it right here. I think the gig is up a little bit. What do you think we're doing?
Fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to watch the fireworks, but where?
On a boat.
Maybe. All right, Disney, you need to get your act together because I talked to the people I booked it from and they said 7:45 out by the docks. And then the people at the restaurant said 7:15 inside on the 4th floor. So we just went to the 4th floor, it wasn't there. So now we're gonna walk out towards the docks and I hope that this actually ends up being right. I've literally been told like 7 different things up until this point, but I'm hoping that this is the correct one. This looks like we might be okay. I don't know. We're walking out here. There's a bunch of pontoon boats. There's a cool boat here. There's some ferries. I don't know what we're supposed to do. Well, we found it, but due to inclement weather, they are currently holding the boats, and they will make an official call by at least 8:30. So I gave my cell phone number. We're gonna go back inside. We're gonna hang out.
It says
hopefully it works out.
I looked it up. It says significant weather advisory in effect until 8. So technically, shouldn't it be gone by 8:30?
It should be. I hope so. So right now it's 7:45. It should be all right by the time that the fireworks come around. We'll see what happens, but this would really stink if it didn't work out. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's not gonna happen tonight. The weather's getting closer, and now it's so close to the fireworks that we couldn't even get there in time to the spot we need to be at. So I think we might try to do it tomorrow night. So I'm gonna catch back up with you guys then, and hopefully we can make it happen. Fast forward about 24 hours, and here we are again, walking into the Contemporary from the parking lot. This time we know exactly where we're going, and I don't see a thundercloud in the sky.
Let's not talk about it.
So I think we're gonna be all right.
See what a little wishing can do?
Alright girls, so what'd you think?
That was incredible.
It was really, really cool.
I mean, I love wishes anyway, but that has to be the viewpoint that they planned out for people to see.
Because you can see the entire castle, you can see all of the fireworks. They look like they're way higher and way bigger than when you're up next to the castle looking at them. It's all about that perspective.
The wind was perfect.
Yeah, it was.
Everything was lined up.
It was absolutely fantastic. It was really, really cool. I'm glad you liked it.
I did.
I think I did a pretty good job for her birthday. I'm happy about it. I'm glad you guys could join us for the ride. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is the first vlog back in a while, so I'm hoping that things go well. Would really love your support on this video. Thumbs up. You guys don't understand how much it means, because we love this channel. This is my true passion. I love making videos on this channel more than I love making gaming videos, without a doubt. And it's so much more personal and like with you guys and bringing you guys along. So I don't know, I really hope that this goes over well. I really hope we can get back into regular content on this channel, and we should see you guys next Friday for our next vlog, which will be Disneyland California day 1. So we'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.